Alright folks, we're testing out this 8mm projector. This is in excellent condition for its age. Alright, now we're going to turn off the lights and we'll check it out. See, it's running pretty good and it's on our wall. You can see it's working really good, folks. This is one of the better cameras that we saw. Backlight. Alright folks, we'll come back and we'll show you how the reverse works on this camera. Alright folks, now we're going to show you this camera rewinding in reverse, putting it back on the original spool. And now reverse. There you go folks. It's reversing right back onto that spool. This camera works in excellent condition folks. Thank you. Have a good day.